Mala ka tiang chai nyor ka dung din media ka changarau ka paikel ka ron kine dang rau di jandang rau da bakel. An mag bangur gog bay nung la retila nung yene siang ka dung din media ka tila rodian ka jinup ka na win mon rodian. An wala ka changarau ka paikel dung din media be nung la mu direct mu specific mu waka Ezekiel Lol Gatkuoth. Ngai konde al Ezekiel Lol Gatkuoth one of controversial figure. Mo wunwara the kuma self-care for long, mumosino nor well. So this message we kaje, Muraikanega Quilul Gatkuoth today is about this message. And the message the Manana Chagor, Mancha circulate call the social media outlet, Chikonajak, and we read, and the corner a lot, Chanakaling. So today, Bako message Bako direct to Lul Gatkuoth that we said, Mitagarame, take a contact, Lul Gatkuoth, you can share this with him. So that we learn in a brief spelling. Lul Gatkuoth, the reason why we are obliged to respond to him, she past time. I think today is that time. Kuba blap. Be na baga threat, be nuare baga threat, kind of location. Meet a event like what happened today. Kayoi. Lul Gatkuoth, come much. Paidok. The time a cop we are do kanater. The first person network mobilization go jikain kwa genocide was him. Yarameda ne chana nenke picture me ku jang me ku mobilize me chol nuari ke terrorists. We have all the documents. They are Lul Gatkuoth ke much after another. So today yero nyong benyal ke blapping ke diat. Now it is a time for every measure to be taken. Go by law, by a book, by Kuma by the winemy, by a log about the conquer. We read the message in the Alcorna Chalat. The very important one, Lul Gatkuoth, you don't know the geography of law. Oh, Akobo take with it. Coca, you take with the Lauror. Can you all take with it? You don't have an idea about it. Could Mara Lul Gatkuoth Kuyakor. Can a matter guam ye nothing a much Melody Yawakor, his background collide. You don't know anything about Kor, you don't know anything about low geographical location. So Mr. Keno is blapping about a log. It lack substantiality. Could Taramade very serious, could that is anything that will happen to low. Because this level we are in today. Man kunele ja wona ne ba correspond ba ko kam Lul Gatkuoth, as we say a second time gaje. So we know his position. Anti-Nuer, Muguru would Nuer suffer. Lakin if he is trying go and Nuer convince Yatana right gaje, nobody will understand him, nobody will hear him. Go with the fact, go tell you know so that I'm large. Malarja ku and it's a tribal war. It's a tribal dimension. Me large ku kumandanta ga self kir ku be e kum ku represent in opin. Ramo for his own interest. Right the malade is very far from who they accept and worry. So we know Lul Gatkuoth chane palawan. Today malarja ku and kume baranyo mobilize, chitada na che mobilize ku bad me another cup and our book. Relo Kumulane own and a low quay. A within the book now is how many time in your book a log. A can law can deter. Can I spell my work can mobilization rail law can deter to fight the war. Jaboko can continue the Boka Akobo, your book in your all, your book of and we know the consequence, the response, the results of those bombing. And again, a can law can deter. And if that is the only power in which Lol Menque plot, Kajaku and Ebu Kume, but I lock up and destroy Kerenian. And no, Ken, if we talk about one and power and I will Lol Kodong mobilize the Kum, if we talk of manpower. That's why we say Lol Kuyakor. Money level of Warsaw Sudan today, come mobilization of troops to fight. It take a level again. Kuyi. Day, so you know, Sudan, today there is no army of 5,000. that you can mobilize a period of 5 days or 10 days, or you say of 2 months. Ko ba ko bater. Ko number 1 kumana ta jube. Che din 5,000 you work el che dem miet. Ko wona never assortment of militia, of tribal militia, because organized in the name of government. They need food, they need money. So where is the money, where is the food? So when you go and it was just a blapping. This time, ran more you mobilize Dinka, one and yin, Kanuari, Kichut Kumaga Fakir. You are backing. Chicken and we chill and talk. Like, for example, me Ramurai Nijan, a yoga borku yin law because of the government of Salpakir. So you will be enemy tomorrow. Because this time, the reason, being they are tired of Salpakir. They want solution by enemy. That individual like Lol and Point here, they are nothing. Whatever they try to say, nobody will understand. Nobody will hear them. So, it was about the blapping and then in Chala de Lol Gatkuoth. Now, target go Akobo nobody, Mukwiji. Ibaranga ko Akobo the cupboard is on the table. And up to today, I'm a pen of Kaboje, not because the child go to back up, it's because people of Akobo that are aware. They can go the end their cupboard, can have a go cupboard, can they go to other cupboard. That there is no blapping. Tell the art, ready. Tell the art that we said, Changla Lolo Akobo and what will happen here. People of Akobo that are just laughing at him. Because Kwiji Akobo shall locate where. So again, for his information, go tired and you can use again Jikai. Meku Kumajan mobilize again Jikai. And mobilization of today are very different. Code, speed, organization, manpower, and the law, and the spell my own control. I'm retired, Gabang. Chibang a bit retired. Instead of him talking about law, about fire, and I'm coming to mobilize and this coming day. A book Corben, 2-word bore. A woman by and as we say, Lol, tell information about military situation, country. And we don't state now, bad mecha yai meja cup, bad mecha wad mecha cup. The active barrack, tin control garrisons of the SPLA, and SPDF, Kajong state interactive in the quarter, take a win it. She that we can tell him and quite wasn't Tomaka state, one was only pure men. It's a matter of time. They were run to war. So you can the other talk, continue with your and there is no way that people of low, they get scared. I mean, quit Dorian, quit core, me just talking. She meant a Lol Gatkuoth. Taro can mass India lo content tin de nekalad about Lol and in general update ko and we are in our position today ko situation wode go ai tenena ka planning of the way forward they lock that we have no major issue from Tiangadan up to this hour. So Taro can no ya Tiang Magadung did media lo la ted go chia go war ushokren.